Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to insert SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy A07, and the process is quite simple. First things first, for us to insert a SIM card on our Samsung Galaxy A07, we'll be needing a SIM card ejector tool just like this one over here. Now this actually comes inside of the box of your Samsung Galaxy A07, but if you do not have it, you can go ahead and look for something similar that is as tiny as this and actually has a sharp edge so that we can insert it on the SIM card ejector hole, that is this little hole that is built together with the SIM card tray. So once you have something as good as this, you want to just turn over to the left hand side of your Samsung Galaxy A07, and then you want to go ahead and insert this little pin or SIM card ejector tool inside of this little hole we have built together with the SIM card tray over here. So you just want to insert and then press it until it actually pops out by itself. So you want to press it a little hard until it pops out. You have seen mine has just popped out, and then once it pops out, you can now use your hands to just remove it from your Samsung Galaxy A07. Also, once you remove it, you should also see a notification on your Samsung Galaxy A07 as well. Now what you want to do at this point is to just get your SIM card. It should actually be a nano SIM card, and then you just want to insert it and then carefully make sure that the cut on your SIM card actually fits with the cut on the SIM card tray over here. So from our SIM card tray, you can see that we have two SIM card slots and then a slot for our SD card. You can choose to insert your SIM card on the first option or the second option, but basically once you insert it, you want to make sure that the cut on your SIM card, that is this little cut, actually fits with the little cut on the SIM card tray. So that is how you want to insert it, and then you now want to go ahead and then push it inside of the SIM card tray slot on your Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure you carefully insert it so that it does not break, and then once you're done, you can go ahead and just power on your Samsung Galaxy A07. Now click on the OK button, and if I open up my Samsung Galaxy A07 now and then just to the top, you can now see that I have a SIM card, that is this Airtel SIM card I just inserted. Now that is basically how to insert a SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy A07. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys.